Hey, it's Brian from RX Safety, and I'm here to show you 3 great safety glasses options from Caterpillar. So you probably know Caterpillar from their machinery. They make machines and vehicles for construction, mining, forestry, to name a few, but what you probably didn't know is they make excellent safety glasses as well. So let's check a few of them out. First up, we've got the Caterpillar Defender. So these are a great metal frame safety glasses option. Just a really simple design, but also really stylish. They feature spring hinges, which are really well made and really durable, so they're going to last you a long time. And they're available in black, brown, and gunmetal. They have these anti-slip rubberized nose pads here, which are going to fit really securely on your nose and keep them in place while you work. They also come with added removable side shields. So if you need peripheral protection, these are going to be a great option for you. The Defender's prescription available and also meets the ANSI Z87 Plus safety standards for optimal protection. Next up, we have the Cat Resistor. So these are another metal frame safety glasses option and really well built as well. Kind of a boxy frame here for these. They also feature the spring hinges as well, which is going to make them really durable, just really high quality materials used in these. They have the adjustable rubberized nose pads as well here, which is going to keep them really comfortable and keep them secure on your face. And the Resistor is available in black, brown, and gunmetal. So just like the Defender, the Resistor also comes with removable side shields. So if you need that full peripheral protection, these have you covered. These are also prescription available and meet the ANSI Z87 Plus safety standards. And lastly, we have the Caterpillar Digger. And these have been engineered for people who need maximum vision protection and performance. They're a semi-rimless nylon frame, and they have adjustable temple bars as well. So the temple bars just slide in and out and just click into place, so they can fit all different size heads. The Digger are available in 5 different colors, and the lenses have an anti-scratch and anti-fog coating. Yeah, so these are a great all-around safety option. They have all the bells and whistles you might need. Another great thing about the Digger is the super soft nose pads and temple bars here as well. Yeah, just really comfortable and bendable, and just really great for all-day use. The Digger meet the ANSI Z87 Plus safety standard, and they're also EN 166 certified as well. The only downside of the Digger is these are not prescription available. They're more of just a safety eye shield, so that's something to keep in mind. To check out any of the Caterpillar safety glasses we've talked about, the links will be in the description. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to us at rxsafety.com.